Class 10th Biology Chapter 6 Life Processes. Hello students. There are large number of organisms and they live in different environmental conditions. Similarly, they have various methods of deriving nutrients from the environment. Methods of obtaining food by the organisms is called modes of nutrition. So today we will learn about different modes of nutrition. Depending on the modes of obtaining nutrients, all the organisms can be classified in two major groups, autotrophic and heterotrophic. So first I will tell you about autotrophic mode of nutrition. The term autotrophic has a Greek origin and made up of two words. Auto means self and troph refers to nutrition. Hence, autotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which the organisms prepare their own organic food utilizing only the inorganic raw materials present in the surrounding. And all green plants comes under the category of autotrophs. Second is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The term heterotrophic also has a Greek origin and made up of two simple words. Hetero means different or others and troph refers to nutrition. Hence, heterotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which the organisms derive energy from the intake and digestion of the organic substances prepared by autotrophs and other organic sources. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is divided into three types: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, which is also called as saprotrophic nutrition, refers to such kind of nutrition in which the organisms derive their nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter such as rotten leaves, rotten bread, dead animals, household wastes, non-living organic matter present in the soil, etc. Majorly, fungi and bacteria comes under the category of saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Second type of heterotrophic mode of nutrition is parasitic nutrition. A parasite is an organism that lives in an intimate association with another living organism from which it derives an essential part of the material for its existence. So, parasitic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which the organisms derive their nutrients or food from other living organism. The organism that supports or provides substances to a parasite is called a host. In return, the host is not benefited by the parasite. Examples of parasite includes many fungi, bacteria, and some flowering plants like Cuscuta, which is also called as amarbale. Third type of heterotrophic mode of nutrition is holozoic nutrition. Most of the animals, majorly invertebrates and all vertebrates, including human being, take in food through the mouth by the process of ingestion. Such a nutrition in which the organisms take in food in the form of complex organic matter by ingestion is called holozoic nutrition. The large organic molecules of ingested food are broken down into smaller soluble substances with the help of digestive enzymes. The simple molecules are then absorbed into the cells and utilized. Depending upon the food habits, the holozoic animals, they may be herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. The holozoic nutrition involves ingestion, digestion, assimilation, and egestion. I hope you will find this podcast helpful in understanding this concept. Thank you.